Hi guys, this is Magic7.com and I'm here with the Honor Magic7 RSR Porsche design. We have two color versions here. One is purple and it's called Provence Purple, this one here. As you can see, it takes some inspiration from the Porsche cars, especially if you look at this area here. And supposedly the hexagonal camera is inspired by some of the, well, indicators on the dashboard of a car. So this is Provence Purple and the other one is Agate Gray, Agate Ash. That's this one. It's closer to the color of a car. It's a matte satin-like finish with very good grip, but the phone itself is quite a bit heavier than the Magic 7 Pro. Actually, this is basically a Magic 7 Pro turned into an Ultra with some upgrades. So let's see what's different. So first of all, we have here an extra sensor, a LIDAR sensor, while the periscope 200 megapixel camera gets an f1.9 aperture instead of the f2.6. At the same time, you can see here that we have the screen, which is now better protected by the Nano Crystal Shield. And we also have protection for the back, which is covered with glass, with Nano Crystal Shield yet again. Now, aside from that, the batteries has also increased. Some people in Europe have been disappointed when they found out that the Honor Magic 7 Pro only comes with a 5250 mAh battery instead of 5800 like the version from China. This one has a 5150 mAh unit with very fast charging, so there's that. And also, check it out, we have a lot of RAM and a lot of storage, 24 gigabytes and 1 terabyte. We also have here the mention of that extra sensor. We also have the 3D bokeh sensor here next to the 50 megapixel camera. And the screen is a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED, rather large, but not as large as the, 6.9 inches of the flip phones, and also the S24, 25, 23 Ultra. Now, aside from that, the phone comes with AI features, which are put in motion by Magic OS 9.0. Let's see what we have here. So, as far as I know, the phone uses aluminum for the frame. People have been asking Honor officials here at the launch event why they don't switch to titanium. They say they're actually taking that into account for improved resilience. To be honest, the phone is as resilient as it is already. I saw it get run over by an ATV here in Slovenia during the launch event. Not this one, but the Magic 7 Pro, which is very, very resilient, including to extreme temperatures. Now, the AI features here include the Honor Magic Portal with knuckle to search, AI Super Zoom, AI Translation. So what is knuckle to search? Basically, you do something like this, and you can move either a photo from here or an information or what have you, or text. You can extract it from here and send it to a part of these apps. You can send it to the Notes, send it to the Gmail, send it to TikTok, to Uber. Now there are 200 apps supported in the Magic Portal instead of 100 in the previous version. That's only scratching the surface of the whole AI thing. So if you go here to Honor AI, I noticed that the Yo-Yo assistant is lacking. I saw that on the Honor Magic 7 Pro in Hong Kong in November last year. The assistant was actually not just a language model which let you find stuff online. It actually did things for you. It ordered coffee for you, just how you like it in the perfect time of the day. Okay, so the AI includes app suggestions. Of course, AI translation is available here, including in real time. Okay. We also have Magic Text. We can extract text from an image. And Magic Portal, which we just saw before. You can auto-recognize image and text, which is pretty cool. And these are the apps which are supported. There should be more of them as you install more. Now, aside from that, we have smart sensing and air gestures, plus eye tracking if you want to control the phone with your, eyes or hands. The iconography has also changed compared to the regular Magic 7 Pro and Magic 7. You can see a touch of gold here and gray, to show how premium the phone actually is. 1,799 euros is the price tag of this very premium phone. The design takes inspirations from the dashboard, from some of the indicators on the dashboard of a Porsche car. You can see it here in the metallic looking from here, and also in the camera design. Now, speaking of camera, we also have AI here. So if I go to this, okay, so I have a photo, I do edit, AI eraser, circle to erase. You have to be connected online to actually make this work. You can also brush to erase, and you can also turn yourself into an anime. I didn't find the feature here. I found it on Honor Magic 7 Pro when I was in Hong Kong last year. And check it out. The image rendered a chair behind this guy, which wasn't visible before, and it understood how to render it properly. I'm actually looking right now at the chair, and it totally understood how it should look. It's pretty cool. There's a tendency of such features to generate objects that are wrong or weird sometimes. So this is the AI eraser. Now, aside from that, you shouldn't be too underwhelmed by the periscope camera here. A 3x optical zoom, but behaving like a 5x1, that's the current trend right now. And a larger aperture, f1.9 instead of f2.6, like the Honor Magic 7 Pro has. Okay, so it's shipping in Europe from February 21st, 1,799 euros. For the basic version, 16 gigs of RAM and half a terabyte of storage. This is a pricier version with 1 terabyte of storage and 24 gigs of RAM, which is quite impressive if you ask me. So I want to ask you in the comments, do you prefer the purple one? Do you prefer the gray one? Which one suits you better? That's it from j7.com. Goodbye.